When you have a broad base of customers, what are the chances that you're getting the right target for a particular campaign? Let's say that you have a broad base of customers who are gardeners. To expand your product base, you decide that you want to start a line of products for container gardening for those who love gardening but live in apartments and don't have yard space. When developing a digital marketing segmentation campaign to market more directly to this particular audience, here are some ways you can segment your audience. Large cities with high rises, communities with large rental markets, zip codes with lots of apartment dwellers and townhomes, cities and towns with dense housing, senior citizen communities, members of container gardening groups. This is what customer segmentation is all about. What makes it really special is that it works fabulously on all channels. In digital marketing, STP is an acronym for segmentation, targeting, and positioning. Most digital marketers are familiar with this model because it's quite effective for deciding on the best type of content for ads. The STP strategy uses marketing personas to target the right messages to the right customers. By developing the right personas, marketers gain the following 4 advantages. 1. Marketers can customize their content so that it has the right tone and style to appeal to different types of customers. 2. Marketers can evaluate the buying process, including task completion, so they can identify which customers take their shopping carts through to sales completion without abandoning their cart. 3. Segmentation enables opportunities for cross-channel personas that will help expedite sales and increase conversions. And 4, segmentation gives you new options for targeting your prime audience, which can also help you maximize your marketing budget. Essentially, customer segmentation takes the guesswork out of narrowing your audience base because it's informed by data rather than assumptions. Your analytics will tell you the keywords that people are typing into the search box when they're comparing products that they're interested in, which you can use in your content. On Instagram, you can target your prospects toward those who are interested in container gardening or those who live in or are looking for apartments. Consider personalizing your email campaigns and on-site content based on customer demographics such as their profiles and online behaviors. I can give you a lot of expert tips, but I can't analyze your data and give you the exact formula for who wants your products. What segment marketing can do for you is to give you distinct information to let you choose the ideal audience to target and design a campaign around. I have found that I get the best results when I look beyond the obvious demographics of my target base and dig deep to find their most meaningful characteristics. Here are 5 ways to target those container gardening clients. Shopping behavior. Do they shop at small companies or large retailers? Are they looking for bargains or mid-range products with higher quality? Are they shopping late at night or on weekends? Do they make multiple purchases at a time? Stage of life. What type of home are they living in? Do they own or rent? Are they fresh out of college or newly married? Are they moving into the empty nest stage? Seasonal decisions. Is spring around the corner? Would any of the products make nice Easter gifts or Mother's Day gifts? Data on geolocation. Is your prospect searching from a retail location? Are they in a city or town that you have designated as a potentially high traffic area? Are they at home or at work? Customer mindset. What got them thinking about buying a container gardening product on this day? Are they looking for attractive flowers? Are they looking for herbs or vegetables for the purpose of consumption? By collecting this information, you should have a pretty good idea of who the best candidates are for container gardening products. Now it's time to get to work and develop a multi-channel marketing segmentation strategy that you can leverage in a host of ways and harvest the benefits of customer segmentation. While you may be inclined to think that one strategy may work better than another, I found that it's best to try as many channels as is practical. Many factors go into the buying process, and the results are often enlightening and unexpected. I recommend doing some A/B testing so that you can alter your marketing strategy to continually produce the best results. Here are some ways for you to test. Try different subject lines. Alternate your headlines. Change the content. Revise your call to action. Track your pay-per-click analytics for each ad. The reason customer segmentation is a popular digital marketing strategy is that it works well to help you find the most likely qualified buyers, whether your product is container gardening or something else. I cannot stress enough the importance of testing multiple audiences and monitoring your results. It's the only way that you will be able to figure out what works, who is finding your ads, and what kind of ads and channels appeal to them. Audience can be fickle. Closely monitoring and adjusting segmentation will allow you to be nimble enough to make quick adjustments to improve your efforts to get the greatest return on investment on a continuing basis.